Were you born here in Poland?
Not exactly. In Boston, Massachusetts, USA. My parents those days. My father was he was on postdoc in Boston, and my mother she just came to him. And it was not so easy to get passport, but in the end she's got one, and they were in Boston. They lived in Boston for 2 years. And then they decided with me to back to Poland because they wanted to fight for the freedom in Poland. It was like everybody said they must be joking, but they went back. It is very hard. It's a part of my family story which is really hard because my line. My family and me in the end, we are from this line of family which always stayed here in Poland. So before the war, the part of family they went away to they went to USA, for example, to Russia. Some of my family. And this part which stayed, there were, here it was Holocaust, so a lot of people they just didn't survive. But my grandmother she survived, and her sisters they survived, and the sisters after the war they immigrated to Israel and to United States, and then one of them to Canada. And my grandmother, she stayed. And then it was this story. Then there was 68, and during 68 they said that they feel Polish and they like to stay here. So they stayed. Of course, they lost their jobs, but they stayed. And then in 80s, as I said, my parents they were there in the United States. They lived there for 2 years. They really have great proposition for work longer there because my father is a great scientist and he's professor of biophysics in Warsaw. But they went back. So this is pretty hard to have this kind of heritage, yeah. I don't know why. I really don't know. I mean, it is something very strange about us. Maybe it is something which connected us to this place, to this space, to this soil. I don't know. Yeah, it's not easy because now I think that it is something that I should I don't know, keep, or maybe not. Maybe I should the one who
finally will break the line and go.
Yeah, exactly.